Hello guys, today we discuss about the neonatal resuscitation 2025 updates and RPAHA latest guidelines. Neonatal resuscitation is emergency care given to a newborn baby who is not breathing or has poor heart rate immediately after birth. Main goal is establish effective ventilation quickly, prevent hypoxia and hypothermia, improve survival and neurological outcomes. Most important 2025 update is ventilation is the priority. If the newborn is not breathing or heart rate is less than 100 per minute, start PPV immediately. Effective lung inflammation is more important than chest compression or medicines initially. Delayed cord clamping, major 2025 update. New recommendation, umbilical cord clamping should be delayed for at least 60 seconds for most term and preterm babies who do not need immediate resuscitation. Benefits क्या है? Better blood volume, increased iron store, better oxygen delivery, reduced anemia, better cardiovascular transition. Important update for non-vigorous term babies more than equal to 35 weeks. Intact cord milking may be considered if delayed clamping cannot be done. Avoid करना है cord milking in extremely preterm babies में less than 28 weeks because of risk of intraventricular hemorrhage. Thermal management update second one. Goal temperature है maintain baby temperature between 36.5 to 37.5 degree Celsius. 2025 की recommendations है immediately drying skin to skin contact, use radiant warmer, plastic wrap for very preterm babies, warm delivery room. One is the suctioning update. Routine suctioning is not recommended. Do not routinely suction mouth, nose, clear amniotic fluid because it can cause bradycardia, apnea, airway trauma. Suction only if airway obstruction present, secretions blocking breathing. Fourth one is PPV, positive pressure ventilation. Start PPV if apnea, gasping or heart rate is less than 100 per minute. 2025 ventilation rate update. Recommended ventilation rate 30 to 60 breaths per minute. Previously था 40 to 60 था. Fifth one is the oxygen therapy update. Term babies may start with 21% oxygen room air पे. Preterm babies less than 32 weeks start with 21 to 30% oxygen. Then titrate using pulse oximeter. Important है इसमें avoid excessive oxygen because it causes oxidative injury. Sixth one is the heart rate assessment. Preferred mode methods होते हैं ECG monitoring, pulse oximeter. These are more accurate than auscultation alone. Critical values: heart rate more than 100 normal, heart rate less than 100 start PPV or heart rate less than 60 start chest compression. Seventh one is the chest compression. Start if heart rate remain less than 60 per minute after 30 seconds of effective PPV. Compression ratio is 3:1, 90 compression plus 30 breaths per minute. Total events 120 per minute. Epinephrine update है. Give epinephrine if heart rate still 60 less than 60 per minute after effective PPV और chest compression. Route preferred किया जाएगा UVC umbilical venous catheter. डोज होगा 0.01 से लेकर 0.03 mg per kg IV. Airway management update 2025 focus. Better mask seal, supraglottic airway use increased, video laryngoscopy, encourage for intubation success. 10th one is the newborn resuscitation algorithm. Step 1 warm dry stimulate. Step 2 assess breathing and heart rate. Step 3 PPV if apnea, gasping or heart rate below 100. Step 4 reassess after 30 seconds. Step 5 chest compression if heart rate is below 60. Step 6 epinephrine if heart rate still below 60. Exam important points are one line memory trick, warm dry ventilate, compressed drug. Thank you. For more nursing updates kindly subscribe my YouTube channel.